In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Sprints. By the end, you'll have sprints enabled in the right place and know how to add tasks to them. So your team can plan and track work in short, focused cycles. Start by heading to the ClickUp website and logging in. Choose the account you want to use, then pick the workspace where you want to manage sprints. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where your projects actually live. Once you're in, open the workspace settings. From there, go to the Spaces section. This is where you control features for each space. Look for the Sprints option. If you don't see it right away, use the settings search bar and type Sprints to jump straight to it. Make sure Sprints is enabled. This is a ClickUp level switch that turns sprint functionality on. If you're prompted to choose where it applies, select the specific space you want sprints enabled for. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with the right permissions to toggle this on. You can also open the default settings for sprints here to see what's available. This is a helpful place to understand how sprints will behave in your workspace. When you're done, close the settings panel or tab. Now return to your home area in ClickUp. Navigate to the space you just enabled, then into the project or folder you'll be working in. Open the list or board where you manage tasks. In the top right of the task view, click the plus icon to customize your view. Search for Sprints and enable it for this view so you can see and use sprint fields or controls wherever you work. This helps you keep sprint context visible as you plan. Next, create a new task or open an existing one. In the task window, look for the Add to Sprint option and select it. Choose the appropriate sprint from the list. If your team already has an active sprint, you'll see it here. Adding a task to a sprint ensures it's counted toward that sprint's scope and shows up in your sprint reports and boards. That's it. Sprints are now active and connected to your tasks in the space you selected. If anything doesn't appear, double-check that you're in the correct workspace and space and confirm the Sprints ClickUp is enabled there. With this setup, you're ready to plan iterations, keep teams focused, and track progress with confidence.